time of any crisis, Kerala always comes together. And even this time around, when Wayanad needs the help of the entire state, the state has not disappointed, because we were just, we are currently in Wayanad. We were making our way towards the landslide site, and just a couple of kilometers away was a kitchen that was opened by a group of volunteers. Now, these are volunteers who've come all the way from Kozhikode to set up a kitchen. And now in that kitchen, they've been preparing food for around 7,000 to 10,000 people. All 3 meals of the day are prepared there. Fresh food, healthy food being prepared. And once they make the food, they pack it up, they bring to the landslide here, and it is served to all the rescue workers who are currently engaged in a very, very challenging task. And to extend support to those who are selflessly helping the people of Wayanad, the rest of the state has joined hands, ensuring that, they get all the raw materials, they prepare food, and it is given to the rescue operators, the rescue workers, who are not even taking a minute's break. Kerala has come together to help Wayanad in this difficult time, in this time of crisis. We are currently reporting from Wayanad, just a few meters away from the landslide site, and this is a kitchen that has been opened by the Muslim Youth League. All of these are volunteers who've come from Kozhikode. They reached here on the night of the landslide to carry out rescue operations, and then they opened this kitchen where they prepare food for the rescue workers who are engaged in the rescue activities at Mundakai, at Churalmala, etc. So you can see how fresh food is prepared, and they provide meals for all 3 times in the day. They make food here, and then they pack it and they take it in vehicles and distribute it to the rescue workers who are actively engaged, not even taking a minute's rest at the landslide site. And so one can see from the visuals the kind of challenging work that the rescue operators are doing. But here are a group of volunteers who've come together to ensure that the rescue workers also get their food, enough water, etc. I'm just going to speak to some of them here. Sir, can you tell us, you've come from Kozhikode.
Yeah, we are from Kozhikode.
Tell us a little bit about this kitchen that you've started.
Actually, we are here almost 60 people. Out of 60, 25 people are already gone for the rescue. And balanced people, we are here completely, we are busy with the supply of the foods for the entire rescue teams, including the police and the militaries and all. And this is the 3rd day we are doing this. And almost 10,000 foods we already supplied.
So you basically make food for 10,000 people in a day?
10,000, yeah. The first day we supplied 10,000, and yesterday we supplied 10,000. We are preparing 12,000 today. And this is not our first time. Actually, this is the 3rd time we are doing in Kerala. And in 2018 flood in Alappuzha, and Kavalapara in 2019. And now it's happening here in Wayanad.
So here you make food, you pack it, then you go give it to the rescue.
We are preparing food here lively, and we are serving food here, and we are parcel also we are sending to the site, actually the site.
And where are you getting all this raw materials from, the vegetables and other things?
All the equipment and free place. Actually, it's not availability is the scarcity of the material is the problem. So we are bringing from our native place. Actually.
Obviously, all of us wants to help Wayanad in whatever way we can. What prompted you to come and set up this kitchen here?
Actually, all the kitchen equipments belongs to ours. Actually, we have all the teams and working in different region, like means any different area. Like he is doing the equipments, like, and he's doing the kitchen equipment and the furnitures and all, and we are hiring from there. And some of them are doing the foodstuffs, and we are getting from him. And the financial support we are getting from our friend circle, from those who are working in GCC. So alhamdulillah, we are getting very good support from our friend circle.
So this just goes on to give you a glimpse of how people are coming together to extend whatever support possible to help Wayanad, to help those who are helping Wayanad, because they're preparing food for the rescue workers who are not even taking a minute's break, who are facing a lot of challenges. It's not an easy job what they're doing. It's completely risky terrain. the bad weather adds to their challenges. They don't know, like even any step that they take, they don't know what's underneath. So it's a very risky job, and the least they say they can do is to help these people who are selflessly working on ground. And this just goes on to show the spirit of Kerala, the spirit of Wayanad. With video journalist Daniel, this is Shilpa Nair for India Today.